So finally, you're planning to join SRM University in 2026, but confused about SRM JE exam, counseling, fee structures, hostel details, and everything. Don't worry, this video is exactly for you, and I am here in front of you to explain all your SRM admission processes. So by end of this video, you will be knowing and you will be having a clear idea everything about your SRM admission process. So let's begin. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So with this video we are starting a new series called as SRM series. So where we will be you will be knowing and having a clear idea about everything about your SRM university. So we'll have different parts of video where we'll be discussing SRM admission process, hostel details, your syllabus, classes, exams, marking, grading systems, everything in this series. So first let's start to know how to join SRM University. So I am very ready with my note. So where I have just a short written all the points that I have to tell you to make you clear and neat before joining SRM University. So usually people used to join SRM University in different ways. So one of them is SRM JE exam, and some of them join using buying a seat, like paying some extra money. So I don't prefer that, because SRM JE is an official entrance exam conducted by SRM Institute itself. So we'll have totally 3 phases to write SRM JE: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So already phase 1 exams are already completed, results has been declared, and for the students who have selected their college and their course, what they need, everything they have completed already the fee payment. I think last date is over around May 31 itself. So next part, the people who are very new and knowing now to join in SRM University. So you have your phase 2 exam and phase 3 exams also. So firstly, let us see what is phase 2 exam, and first let us know what is syllabus for this exam. So for this exam, syllabus will be your JE mains exam syllabus, but don't worry, exam will not be as tougher as JE mains. It will be very easy. Next, your question paper pattern for SRM JE exam, you will be given of 130 questions, 150 minutes. So 2.5 hours you will be given for 130 questions, where 35 questions is for physics, 35 for chemistry, 40 for maths, and English 20 questions you will be having. So maths, physics, chemistry, however, you will be having your syllabus from JE mains. English you will be having general grammatic questions and paragraph based. So you will be given a paragraph, you need to read the paragraph, or you have to watch a video, something like that. You have to just answer the questions below given that paragraph. So that is your question paper pattern, and your exam will not be having any negative marking, so you can freely attempt all the questions. So your exam will be your online exam itself, which you can write in your home itself, but it will be a RPOM, which is nothing but remote proctored online mode. So where your activity will be monitoring by the institution management, by the management, and through AI also. So where if you even found some hand gestures like this, automatically you will be warned. So if they find any shadow backside of you on the wall or anywhere, so automatically you will be warned 3 times. I mean, after exceeding those 3 warnings, automatically your exam will be submitted. You will not be able to open your exam once again. So if you have any issues during your exam without your action, like it is due to your network connection error, or exam may be like where I faced issues, or suddenly getting black screen, white screen, all those things. So you will be given a mobile number, you will be given a mail ID, you will be given a WhatsApp to contact to the management teachers. So you can message or you can call them if you face only black screen or white screen, or issues related to that exam, not related to you. That is, you are making hand gestures, keeping someone beside, not all those things. I know everything will happen, but do it with carefully. So even if you found small gestures also, everything, your exam will be collapsed. So be careful regarding that. It's about your exam. Then last day to apply for your exam will be June 4th. So you have 3 more days left. Do it fast. I think your application fees is also around 1400. So you have to pay, you have to enter your details and everything, you have to register. And your timings your exam dates will be from June 10th to June 15th. and your timings will be, you'll have 2 sessions per day. Morning session, that is forenoon session and afternoon session. Forenoon session timings are 10 to 12:30 p.m. and afternoon sessions timings are 2 to 4:30 p.m. I mean, the date when you're interested to write exam and the time, the slot, that is whether it is forenoon or afternoon, everything can be selected by you itself in between the last date to apply and the exam. So last date to apply is June 4th. So you have time from June 5th to June 9th. In these 4 days, they will specifically give you some time to book your slot. So in that time, you have to book your slot in which session and which slot you are going to write your exam. So that is about your exam. So already you will be given with an admission portal, right? Once if you have registered. So there itself you will be having everything, all your application fees, what you have to pay, and everything will be given in your admission portal itself. So I think already you know your admission portal. Also you can log in through your application number and date of birth as usual, which you know. So this is all about your SRM JEE phase 2 examination. Next, coming to phase 3 examination, mostly your registrations will be open once finished after phase 2 examinations, and the last date to apply will be tentatively 30 June of 2026, and your exam will be mostly between July 4th and 5th, only 2 days. If not, mostly your phase 3 exam will be completed before second week of July, because the counseling sessions, all counseling sessions should be completed before July end itself. Next, for all these phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 students, enrollment process begins during your, once your exam is completed, results has been declared, all your enrollment process will be started immediately. So what all the things you have to do? Once results are declared, you have to choose which branch you need. Branch in the sense the campus. We have different campuses in SRM, right? So we have SRM Chennai, we have Katan Kolathur campus, that is a main campus. Then we have Ramapuram campus, which is there also the hostel facilities available. And we have one more Vadapalani campus where it is a day scholar campus. Then in Tamil Nadu still we have Trichy campus, there also hostels are available. Then in Andhra we have SRM AP. So this exam is applicable for all the branches. So SRM AP is also comes under SRM JEE exam. And still we have one more campus in Delhi. I'm not sure whether this exam, I think they have a separate exam for their campus. So this is what about different branches. So you have to select which campus you need. So in each campus we'll have different branches like computer science, CSE, ECE, EEE, civil mechanic, like we have chemical engineering, all those, everything. So you have to book your what course you need. So if you are eligible based on your rank only, you will be knowing whether you will be eligible or not. So I think for phase 2, mostly you have to get your rank below 10,000, 8,000 somewhere to get computer science. In phase 3, still it will be decreased. It will be decreased to 5 or 3,000 somewhere. So better, the first exam which you are attempting should be your best exam. So that is what is about the SRM JEE exam, which is your entrance exam. Once if you have finished your entrance exam and you have completed your booking, like that is what the campus and branch booking, so you will be asked to complete your fee payment. So you can complete your fee payment. Once your fee payment is also done, the university will be sending you a net ID, that is your SRM official mail ID for your 4 years of engineering. You will be having a mail ID. It will be sent to your registered mail for exam, whatever the registered mail you have given for your SRM JEE exam. For that officially they will send you a net ID and password. So with that you have to log in. Later you can change your password also. So that net ID is your most important for your complete the lifespan which you are going to spend in SRM university. Okay, so with that net ID you will be logging your mail, and you will be also you have to also log in student portal. So this means you are using admission portal. Once your fee payment and everything is done, you will be completely transferred to student portal. So once your student portal, you are almost done with your admission process. Then we'll start with your enrollment process. So you have to enroll, like once again they'll check everything and confirm your seat 100%. So firstly we'll have enrollment process. So in this enrollment process we'll have 2 different modes: online enrollment, physical enrollment. Every student must participate in both online enrollment and physical enrollment. Either physical enrollment, you will be given some extra time with some request. Online enrollment, once it is ended, you cannot do it again. So it is very mandatory to participate in both online and physical enrollment. If you are missed any enrollment, your seat will be cancelled immediately. Next, what is online enrollment? So once you get your student portal and you will log in, so there you will have an section like student details, personal details and all those things. So there you have to upload all your documents and you have to upload all your details from your birth day to till today, like your Aadhaar number, mark list, parent details, house address, permanent address, residential address, everything you have to mention it there. And also you will be asking your 10th mark list, 12th mark list, transfer certificate, that is TC, sometimes hall ticket, however it will be given, it will be with them, they'll not ask. So passport size photos, if there is any category, that is caste certificate, that also will be asked. So initially first you have to put all your details in the student portal, that is your online enrollment. So if there is any mistakes, they will contact you through your mail and they'll ask you to re-upload all the documents if there is any mistakes. If there is no mistake found, your online enrollment process is 100% done. Next, coming to physical enrollment. So your physical enrollment dates are already tentatively given. 99% these are confirmed. So your online physical enrollment dates will be from August 1st to 7th. 1 week time they have given. So in this 1 week you have to carry all your documents, some passport size photos, all the things which you need to carry will be mailed to you before 10 days, 1 week to 10 days of your physical enrollment. So you have to carry all your certificates and whatever they mailed you to the campus in person. The student must go to the campus. So you will be having TP Ganeshan auditorium in our campus. So in that auditorium itself, this physical enrollment will be done. So what you have to do there is, you have to submit all your documents which you have uploaded in the student portal during online enrollment. All those documents also you have to submit in person physically there in our university. So they will once again check all those things and they will compare. They'll first find whether it is fake or real. They'll compare with the documents which you have given in online enrollment. If everything is done, you are now finally a student of SRM. So once physical enrollment is done, immediately there only you will be asking to take a photo and immediately you will be given with your ID card. So remember, you need to upload your photo in the student portal. So make sure that photo is clear and everything neat, because that photo itself will be printed on your ID card and will be given to you during your physical enrollment. For the next 4 years, the same photo will be used everywhere in your engineering. So take a good photo and upload it during online enrollment in the student portal. So physical enrollment dates, once again I am mentioning, August 1st to 7th for everyone. Physical enrollment will be common for all the phase students. Next, your classes will be started from August 17th. Officially it is given August 17th is the first classes commencement date for all BTech first year and MTech integrated first year students. So once you have finished your physical enrollment also, you will be before physical enrollment only you will be asked for hostel booking. So in the next upcoming parts we'll be discussing about hostels. So once if you go for physical enrollment, you can directly join in your hostel and you can be there, no problem. So hostel booking, fees and everything will be discussing in the upcoming parts. Next, if you are a day scholar, if you needs to go by like a day scholar, then you will be having also transport booking option. Once the next day after your hostel booking only will be given. So I think for now transport fees is around 75,000 per year. Even if you are booking transport for 1 kilometer, it is 75,000 per year. If it is 50 kilometer, 75,000 per year. Irrespective of distances, the fee is 75,000 per year. So this is all about your admission process. If I miss any data regarding this admission process, If you have any doubts, just comment it. I'll sure mention it in the upcoming parts. So in the upcoming parts, we'll be discussing your travel options, how to reach SRM University, all different ways I will tell you. So you can choose the best one along with price, ticket cost, everything I'm going to mention it there. Next, in the same upcoming parts, we'll be discussing your syllabus, subjects, about your hostels, leave applications, how you can take leave of classes, then attendance, marking, grading, everything we'll be discussing in the upcoming videos. So this is all about your admission process. So if you still have any doubts, you can directly contact me in contact, not mobile number. So you can directly message me in our Insta page or comment below this video. Everything will be covered in the upcoming sessions. So hope this information will help you. I'll surely reply everything in the next video. We'll cover everything about all SRM University. So with this video has come to an end. So let's meet again in the next video. Take care. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.